What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. It's your boy Cozy, and we back with another video, another unboxing. And today we're gonna follow up with the t-shirts I got with this hoodie. Came from Hidden, New York. For each tee, I bought one for 55, another 55, and then the H logo cracked print tee vintage wash 65. And then, as you see in my last video, I paid 145 for this hoodie. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. But before we review this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of my future videos. We got 3 t-shirts from them. More Hidden merch. Whenever they drop, I'ma be there because they have some fire hoodies. So I got this one. So we're first gonna go with the Camp Lake tee, off-white. I paid $55 for this. We have this off-white Camp Lake tee, medium. Let me know in the comments below, do you like Hidden New York? Just let me know. So it says like my previous brown Lake tee. It says Hidden New York, past, present, and future, and then Manhattan, New York, fire. And then the back, you got the Hidden logo with the H, and it's fire. It's like a green color. If you haven't watched my last video, you can see that I also got this t-shirt in like a chestnut color, brown color. This is one tee that I got from them, which is super nice. I can't wait till they drop again. I follow them like a hawk. Okay, we also got the H logo print tee, cracked print tee. So this is the same type of aesthetic, same t-shirt, Hidden, past, present, and future, Manhattan, New York, with the H on the back. So it's kind of like the off-white. This is gas. This is like a turquoise color. So definitely keeping this 100% cotton, feels fire. Let me know in the comments below, do you like their t-shirts? I also got this last t-shirt from them, came from Hidden, white medium tee. You got it says Hidden right in front instead of Toyota. This looks like a Celica, like an old Celica. Let me know in the comments below, am I wrong? Definitely a Toyota. In the back, you probably got like a Nissan Skyline or something, you know? In the back, you also got some words here. I don't know how to say this, but you also see the Hidden logo right in the back. Super gas. Hidden New York, guys. Hidden New York. W shirt, L shirt. Let me know in the comments below. Fan, not a fan. Let me know in the comments below. Now let's go ahead and try these on to see how they fit. Alright guys, and that was all the Hidden merch that I gotten as of today. Let me know which one was your favorite one. Did you like the Camp Lake tee, off-white, the H logo cracked in turquoise, or the Blur Ride tee that came in white? They all fit great. They're size medium, they don't run small, they're true to size, fire cotton 100%. Let me know in the comments below. But that wraps up our unboxing for the Hidden New York merch. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more merch reviews, unboxing, and we'll catch you in the next video. We out.